Yeah.
We got the last flight pretty much landed in, and we couldn't fly until the next morning out of Sydney to get our domestic flight back to Albury.
Yeah.
So we thought the first available flight, which meant the way our tickets worked, we should have been allowed the extra flight. We couldn't come off international, but they said because we didn't fly in the same day, they hit us with all this excess.
That's the passive aggressive shit that made me not want to come back to the country. I was like,
our travel agent months to find it out with them before they
relent and give you some money back.
Yeah, shoot it back to us.
Yeah, they're all fucking gangsters. Do you need help versus me taking pictures? No, you've probably done this before, but I'm happy to help. Oh yeah, I did. You're welcome.
I'm Andrew Houlihan from a small town in New South Wales in Australia, down in Melbourne today. Probably best known in Australia for my rally racing, Dakar rallies, competed in 3, Africa Eco Race, World Baja Championships, and pretty much any other event I can get to somewhere in the world.
Andrew Barlow, 71 years old. I live in Tocumwal, which is on the border between Victoria and New South Wales.
So Shepparton, Mangalore, Lacey, Cold Tower, Yep. Yeah. We'll probably give it a mangle, but
Okay.
mixture for each. 46 gallons.
David, if you don't mind, I'm just going to watch the pollen. And
Yeah,
listen
no,
to
I'm-
everything start.
I'm in my quiet place.
So 121, so treat it as a hot start. Bubble still boost, so it's a nice smell there.
Here on my side.
I'm ready. Okay, we just got back from this little plane ride on this guy with Andrew Barlow, and we went up to see his uncle who has a super old Ducati 750 SS, which is very, very rare, and he's ridden it all around Australia with metal panniers that were used for, I think, like military gun bullets. Anyway, I just came back from that. Today's my last day, and tomorrow I'm heading home. So what a awesome way to end it. What a great last portrait. And there's Andrew. He flew us. And yeah, super stoked to share this all. Oh, Australia, you've been good. You've been good to me. All right, that's the record. I'm walking through the duty free. They make you walk through the duty free to get to anywhere. Anyway, so it's the beginning of the travel day. 14 hours to LA. Then 5 hours to Toronto, then 2 hours to Halifax, and then I'll be, then I'll be in Halifax, and I still have an hour and a half to drive home to my house that has recently sold. But that's the deal, and I get to see Mod Dog. That's it. We'll see you on the other side of this. Well, hello. So I figured I would do one of these sort of final wrap it up videos because now I'm back in Nova Scotia. I don't think I've fully adjusted to the time, but I'm getting there. Anyway, incredible 2 months in Australia. Can't thank everybody enough from BMW Motorrad, Michelin and Kimpex, Revit North America, Arai North America. Just throwing the ball to Mod. Anyway, I've already begun to do the editing. There's a lot of editing to do, 30 something photos in 2 months, which is kind of crazy. I didn't expect anywhere near that amount, but that's where I find myself. But I'm also moving from Nova Scotia. I sold my house, so I have to be out June 5th. I have a lot of work to do, but yeah, that's it. That's the story. That's the record. Super grateful for everybody I met in Australia and all the help and all the support. Yeah, and stand by. Remember, you can check out the website, themotorcycleportraits.net.